Have you ever seen this wire? This wire, in the past, was used to show you images on screens. It was through a device called the cathode ray tube, which used to emit electrons with great force, making the tube illuminated. One day, a German scientist named Röntgen decided to conduct a strange experiment with this device. Röntgen was sitting and trying to look for these strange rays, but the problem was that every time he turned on the device, the light that came out of it bothered him, so he decided to cover the tube with the box to cover the light. But then he noticed that in a distant piece of paper, blazing in the middle of the darkness. Röntgen turned off the device until he was sure it was the cause. But when he returned to the paper, he found that it was dark. He turned on the device, and the paper was illuminated again. Thus, he was certain that the device was emitting rays that penetrated the box. He then began to place various objects in front of this piece of paper in order to see the reflections that were emerging. From it, he noticed that nothing had a shadow except metals. But when he put his hand in front of the paper, something strange began to appear. He started seeing the shadow of the bones in his hand. At first, he was afraid and thought he was whispering, but he was sure that he had discovered rays that could penetrate human tissue, but stopped in front of the solid objects. Röntgen was surprised by this rays. He called it rays X-ray. The letter X means the unknown, but it stuck with it. This is considered the first X-ray image in history of the hand of Röntgen's wife. This great discovery earned Röntgen the Nobel Prize, the first Nobel Prize for physics in history. X-rays were discovered by coincidence. The discovery of X-rays was a major event in the world and caught the attention of many scientists, including Henri Becquerel.